Hello again, everyone. How are you? So exciting to see everybody again. I hope you guys had a great Valentine's Day. I did. I got some of my favorite chocolates. I got some beautiful flowers. Yeah, it was just fun. So now we move on to March. Another month, another holiday. See, I was gonna say Valentine's Day again. That was silly. Okay, no, St. Patrick's Day. Your craft this month is a four-leaf clover. Not to confuse that with a shamrock. Does anybody know the difference between a shamrock and a four-leaf clover? So a shamrock has three leaves, and a four-leaf clover has four. There is a meaning behind that. I believe the shamrock has three leaves because it represents the three trinities. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have even mentioned that because I'm not positive on that. But that is actually something that's really good for you guys to look up, right? There is a difference though between a clover and shamrock. There's three and there's four. You guys are making a four-leaf clover. It's not really quilling like you did last month. It's just kind of folding your paper up to make a really cool craft. So before we get started, see Clifford here? He got dressed up for St. Patrick's Day, so I feel like I should maybe do a little bit more. So I have these cool glasses. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, yeah, why not? I'll put on this tie. Okay, yeah. Doesn't really go with my shirt, but I'm gonna wear it anyway. Oh yeah, sure. A bracelet that doesn't really fit very well, but I got it on. Some little pretty hair bows, green, because yeah, I haven't really worn hair bows in many years because I just don't. Yeah, but now look how festive I am. See, let's put the glasses on. I don't know if I'm putting them on right. I think I was putting them on upside down, guys. Okay. Oh yeah. Now I'm ready for St. Patrick's Day. What do you think, guys? Are you guys ready for St. Patrick's Day? Do you do anything for it? I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to see through these to do this craft, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay? The first thing that you are going to do, so in your kit, you have 3 different size strips of paper, okay? You have 4 of these little guys, 4 of these long guys, and 1 of this extra long guy, all right? Yeah, this is fun. Okay, we're gonna start with the long ones. You are gonna take one long one. You're gonna fold it in half, just perfectly in half, as perfect as you can. Whatever, if it, it's your project. You just fold it, okay? Now you're gonna take it, just kind of open it up a little bit, but you're going to just kind of put it together like so. Yeah, I'm gonna come closer so you can see what I just did, all right? Watch. I just put it together like that, okay? And I'm going to put some glue right here. I'm giving you guys tacky glue again. Ooh, can you see me? Hi. I give you guys tacky glue again, which is remember, it's that really strong glue. So you can either use glue, or if you want to stick a stapler in there, that'll hold it too, okay? The stapler will even do it quicker, a quicker job if you want to do it quicker, okay? All right, so I have the tacky glue right here. And I'm going to use a Q-tip because I don't want to get my finger all dirty, okay? I'm just going to stick the Q-tip in there, put some glue right in there, and ta-da! I have got one big heart. The start of, yeah. You know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to staple it because it's not, well, because I'm trying to do a video and I don't have an hour for it to dry, quite frankly. So, okay. Oh, stay like that, little guy. Wow, this doesn't want to stay. All right. So I'm going to have Clifford hold it down. Thanks, Clifford. Would you mind? I appreciate it. Okay. We are going to do that with all 4 of these strips. Okay. I think I just have one here. So just keep folding. I think I might just do a couple just because I don't want to do an hour-long video, guys. Because, well, that gets boring for all of us, right? Do you guys watch my videos? You know what I would love, everybody? I would love if you guys would like send us a letter in or something. I don't even care if you write my name, which is Miss Penny, by the way. I don't even care if you like write my name, but it would be great to know if you watch our videos. Like, do you watch Miss Jackie? Do you watch Jacob? Did you know that Jacob? These aren't staying very nicely, and I don't know how this is going to work. Okay, but do you watch any of our videos? I'm curious. So if you guys could like write us a letter, or even if your parents come into the, oh, I'm sorry. I'm having a moment here where I just keep talking and moving at the same time. Oh, and my glasses. Okay. If you could write us a letter, we would really love that. And just so that we know that you guys are actually like watching us and loving our crafts, or even just doing our crafts. And if you don't want to write a letter, if you could maybe let your parents know, and maybe they could tell us that you're doing our crafts and watching our videos, that would be great. If you were to draw us a picture, and if your parents brought it in, or even if you mailed it to us and sent it to us, we could totally put your pictures behind us in the videos, and then you guys could be YouTube stars with us. How cool would that be? Okay, all right, enough of that. Now I want to show you, these are the littler strips, okay? So these were the long ones, these are the short ones. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did with the long ones with the short ones, okay? I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to do this with it, and I will staple it. Okay, I'm going to do that with 2 of them. I think it's going to work better with the glue because the stapler, it's like an odd angle. It doesn't really, you can't really get the stapler in there straight to get it stapled. And so I think that's why these are kind of twisting up on me. If you have a tiny stapler, that might work better, but our stapler is probably just a little bit too big. So I'm guessing that's the reason that these are doing this to me. These glasses are insane. Okay. Oh yeah, well, Clifford holding it really helped. And I put glue on this one too, so I'm sure that was like double helpful. All right, so here's my big one. And what I'm going to do is, once your big ones are finished and then your little ones are finished, we're going to put your little ones inside your big ones. So I'm going to take some more glue. And I'm just going to put some glue on the bottom here, like right on the bottom corner. There we go. Yeah, okay. And then I'm going to stick it right inside like so. There we go, see? And I'm probably going to put some more glue right on the inside, like, okay. So the glue I put was right there, right? I'm going to come closer again, guys. Okay, so the glue that I put, it was right in that corner, okay? So now I'm going to put some right in this little crease here, and then it'll hold them together really well. Yeah. So once you put them together, it actually holds them in a nice heart shaped. Okay, let's put some glue on the inside of that one. Okay. There we go. Perfect. This glue, I don't know if you guys watched my last video when we were doing the quilling, but I really like this glue because it's just not like Elmer's glue. It's just so nice. It works really well. If your hearts are still not listening very well, like these, I keep wanting to push them up. I feel like they're falling and they're so big. Okay, like these are they're not doing bad, but they are like trying to be a little bit not listening. I'm just gonna take something and set it on top. Look how strong it is. Ooh, that should be a project we do one time. How strong is paper when you roll it in different ways? All right, so that is one. I'm gonna do the second one. Now you're gonna do this with 4 of them. I'm only doing 2, just because I don't want this to be such a long video. And I feel like it's already a long video. And I know that they can, oh, see, I put the glue on the big one this time, but it's in the same spot. It's just on the big heart instead of the little heart. And then I'm just gonna put this guy. I don't know why I said this guy. I mean, it's paper, right? But anyway, all right, I just did the same thing. I just put the glue on the big heart instead of the little heart. No big deal. It really does kind of hold it together by putting them together. Then I'm going to put more glue, just like I did on the other ones, just in this area. Okay. Yep, got it. Make sure they're glued. And they're gonna join their friends here. Okay, that's gonna hold them until the glue dries. Oh, I got glue on the table. So maybe what I didn't say at the beginning of this is maybe you should protect your surface from the glue. Maybe, guys, you should put like a piece of paper, newspaper. I don't know if you have something that you use when you're crafting. Put that down first, would you? So you're not ruining your parents or wherever you're working, you're not ruining that table or surface. That would be an awesome thing to do. Okay, when all 4 of your hearts are ready to go, this long strip of paper is the stem for your 4-leaf clover. So here's your stem. This is a really long strip of paper. You're gonna arrange your clovers in this order. It's very clear on your picture, so make sure you look at your picture when you're making it, okay? You're gonna arrange them like that. You're gonna put this guy right in the middle, okay? It's up on the table. It's not laying flat, it's up, and the hearts are around it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna glue them around it to make your shamrock. You look, I didn't even have to bend it in the directions. It says bend the paper, but it's already bent because stems are kind of bent, you know, on a 4-leaf, I was going to call it a shamrock, but it's not. I already explained that. They're kind of bent. So it's already bent, really. If you don't want your stem this long, feel free to cut it. I have scissors here. I'm holding them the correct way. I'm not going to cut it because my shamrock's not finished and I'm not sure how long I need my stem, but if you don't want your stem this long, you can cut it to whatever length you want. It's your shamrock, or it's your 4-leaf clover. Guys, what am I thinking? Why do I keep saying shamrock? Okay, 4-leaf clover. So you have all 4 of these done. You have your stem on. Your 4-leaf clover is dry. Your stem's on, it's complete. What do you do with it now? Totally up to you guys. You can do whatever you want. You can take it and just kind of put it wherever. You can lay it on a table as a decoration in your front room, in your kitchen, in your bedroom, anywhere, right? You can give it away as a gift. Something that might be pretty cool is you could put some string on it and hang it. You can hang it in a window. That would probably be really cool. You can hang it somewhere and it could like twirl around. That would be pretty. I mean, the sky's the limit, right, guys? You could do whatever you want with your 4-leaf clover because it's your project. It's awesome. And you guys are all amazing. So thanks for hanging out with me again. Please let me know if you're watching us because we're having fun sharing with you guys and we would love to hear back from you guys, okay? I hope you guys had an amazing Valentine's Day. I hope you're having an amazing St. Patrick's Day. Clifford the Mayor, Mayor Clifford here, he says hi to everybody. Okay, you guys have a great month. Have a great day. Enjoy all these crafts. Enjoy the weather getting warmer. Get outside, get some energy out, and just have fun. Bye, everybody.